Hello everyone, Tim from HF Radio Review here, and we're going to be doing something a little different on the channel today. We've never done an unboxing video before because, well, haven't really had a whole lot to unbox lately. But today, I got something to unbox. Let's take a look and see what the big brown truck was nice enough to deliver to my house yesterday. By the way, props to UPS for putting this inside the door. It was raining yesterday and I was not there to pick it up. So yeah, kudos to them. Otherwise, this would be like a very soggy unboxing. All right. Lots of bubble wrap. Lots of bubble wrap. All right, one box down. Trusty pocket knife here. USB connectors. But more importantly, the successor to the FDM S2, the S3. This has been rumored to be a Perseus killer. We'll see if that holds up. But here it is. As far as I know, there's about 3 of these in the States right now, and one of them is in my grubby little mitts thanks to Paul Jones. Kudos to you, man. Love you. Thank you very much for making this happen. Now, this is a pre-production unit, I believe. I bought it on the part of the deal is that if they do start to tinker around with the hardware inside, I get new hardware when it's all said and done. But it is mine to test with, play with, evaluate, and to post on YouTube, as you can see. Let's take a look at this thing here, huh? I'm seeing it for the first time too, folks. We have a power button. Headphone jack, which is a nice addition. What do we have here on the back? We have, looks like, those little mini antenna ports. Ah, 2 HF antenna ports, that's nice. I like that. One for VHF, so this does FM. It's got Anderson power poles already for the connectors, so that's handy. We have a USB 3 jack and that external I/O serial port. Fun. I'll be playing around with this over the next probably couple of weeks. Hopefully my schedule allows it. I will post something about it as soon as I can, though, because we're going to do some heads-up comparisons with this and the Perseus, of course, and maybe see how it compares to the S2. We'll take a look at it, we'll kick the tires, and we'll let everybody know. Thanks for watching. This is again Tim with HF Radio Review. We appreciate you subscribing, we appreciate you watching, and we'll hopefully have a little bit more content here in the near future with this new radio in the shack. Thanks again. Take care, everybody.